concept, and this is the target.
All right. So, where's like the place for like automatization flight management softwares like Leon in the whole this Jetex message in this year?
We are very happy with the partnership that we did with Leon. It's like everyone knows that Leon is one of the leading software company in not only in the region but just like globally. And what we achieved with them today and like since a while is very advanced integration between both of us and make a good solution for the customer, especially who is flying in our region. So we are so happy with this partnership, and what Leon achieved is like something amazing, and this is why we approached Leon and we are partnering with them.
All right. So, what's the importance of the IT automatization that Leon provides for both of our customers?
The feedback that we have from the customer who is already using Leon, it's just it was amazing because we give one solution for the customer. That's okay. They will crew scheduling, make all the trip, and just like they push it online to us as a provider and as a partner with Leon. This is amazing, and the customer are very happy with this integration because the first time like Leon and Jetex coming with one solution for the customer.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you very much.